Hey everyone, let's dive into one of the most tragic events in aviation history, the Charkhi Dadri collision. It's a tale of unfortunate events that led to the deadliest mid-air collision ever recorded. Picture this. It's November 12th, 1996, just another regular day for many. Saudi Arabian Airlines Flight 763 is taking off from New Delhi, bound for Dhahran. Meanwhile, Kazakhstan Airlines Flight 1907 is on its final approach to the same airport, two aircraft on a deadly collision course. As the Saudi flight climbs to 14,000 feet, the Kazakh flight is descending to 15,000 feet. The air traffic controller instructs the Kazakh pilot to descend to 14,000 feet, but here's where things go wrong. Due to a language barrier and possible misunderstandings, the Kazakh aircraft continues descending below the assigned altitude. In a matter of seconds, the two aircraft find themselves on a collision course. At 6:40 p.m. over the village of Charkhi Dadri in Haryana, India, the unthinkable happens. The tail of the Kazakh aircraft slices through the Saudi jet's left wing. Both planes are critically damaged, and within moments they plummet to the ground. The aftermath is devastating. All 349 passengers and crew members on both flights perish, making it the deadliest mid-air collision in history. The incident sends shockwaves through the aviation community, leading to significant changes in air traffic control procedures and international aviation regulations. So, what went wrong? Several factors contributed to this tragedy. Language barriers, miscommunication, and outdated radar technology. The lack of a common language for communication between pilots and air traffic control played a critical role. After this incident, English was mandated as the universal language for aviation communication. Moreover, technology upgrades became a priority. Modern traffic collision avoidance systems, or TCS, are now mandatory for commercial aircraft, enhancing their ability to detect and avoid potential collisions. The Charkhi Dadri collision remains a somber reminder of the importance of communication and technology in aviation safety. It's a story of lessons learned through unimaginable loss. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe and keep those skies friendly.